Hello, in this video we're going to look at adding and subtracting fractions as well as multiplying and dividing. Now we're going to start with the following example, 3/4 plus 2/5. Now you'll notice that the denominators are not the same. They're 4 and 5, and we want to get those to be the same number. We want to essentially find a common denominator. And to do that, you'll notice on the side here, I'm listing off the multiples of each of the two denominators. For 4, we got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, etc. And for 5, we got 5, 10, 15, 20. Now you'll notice the common denominator is 20 in this case, the lowest common multiple. So we will take that 20 and we will take the 3/4 and the 2/5 and project that into 20ths. So 3/4, to get from 4 to 20, the operation is to multiply by 5. So 4 multiplied by 5 gives you 20. We must do the same thing to the top. 3 multiplied by 5 will give us 15. So 3/4 translate to the equivalent fraction of 15/20. For our second fraction here, 2/5, to get from 5 to 20, the mathematical operation is to multiply by 4, and we must do the same thing to the numerator as well. 2 times 4 gives us 8. Now adding fractions, once you have a common denominator, you did all that work, you keep it, so keep the 20ths, and simply add the tops of the first two or more fractions. So 15 over 20 plus 18 over 20 gives us 23 over 20, 23/20. Subtracting fractions is quite similar. Everything is the same, the process, except for the last step. For subtracting, we're simply going to subtract the numerators, which will leave us with 7/20. Multiplying fractions. Multiplying fractions is very straightforward. We are just simply going to multiply the tops and then the bottoms separately, giving us 6 over 20, which can simplify by dividing both the top and the bottom by a common factor of 2. Simplifies down to 3 over 10. So we have 3/10, which is 3 over 4 multiplied by 2 over 5. Now, dividing fractions uses some of the same strategies and techniques involved in multiplication. However, one simple little twist, if you will. For dividing fractions, we are going to keep the first fraction, 3/4. Then we are going to multiply by what's called the reciprocal of the second. We are going to flip the second fraction, 2/5. We're going to change that to 5/2, 5 over 2. Then we're going to multiply the top two numerators, and then separately the denominators, leaving us with 15 over 8, which can't be reduced or simplified, but can be changed to a mixed number, and that would be 1 7/8. Thanks for watching.